So I want to talk a little bit about coupled chemical reactions and Le Chatelier's principle. We have two reactions here. One is the reaction of silver chloride dissolving to form silver ions and chloride ions. And you may recall from Chem 1A that silver chloride probably shouldn't be soluble according to solubility rules. In fact, it's not very soluble. We say it's slightly soluble. It has a solubility product. That's its equilibrium constant. In this particular instance, the solubility product is about 1.8 times 10 to the minus 10. So that's consistent with what we know about silver chloride. If you take silver ions and chloride ions and put them together in solution at any appreciable concentration, they precipitate out. That is, the equilibrium shifts to the left to form the silver chloride precipitate. We also have another equilibrium here, and this is for the formation of a complex ion. So the complex ion is formed when silver reacts with two molecules of ammonia, and silver ammonia complex ion is formed. This K value, which actually has a Kf for the formation constant, is around 1.6 times 10 to the 7th. So notice what's happening here. Silver chloride is dissolving to form silver ions and chloride ions in water. And if I were to add ammonia to that same solution, the ammonia would begin complexing with the silver ion. These two reactions are coupled by the silver ion, and the ammonia ion molecule literally pulls the silver out of equilibrium from the silver chloride reaction and forms this complex ion. So what do you expect to see? Well, if you only added a little bit of ammonia, you probably wouldn't see much. But as you add more ammonia to this solution, and this second reaction here becomes more important, the silver ion is removed from the solution, and what you'd expect to see is that this equilibrium would shift to the right. The chloride ion would be going up. The silver ion would be pulled out by this ammonia, and at the same time what you would expect to see is you would expect to see the silver chloride begin to dissolve. In fact, that's actually what we see, and hopefully in class I'll be able to show you that in a little demonstration. Now, coupled chemical reactions are everywhere and a very important part of biochemistry and biology. So I found this one little neat video. I think you should probably take a moment and watch that if you're at all interested in biology, and you'll see how ATP hydrolysis, the breaking of the phosphate bond in ATP, drives phosphorylation of glucose. Hope you enjoyed that.